There is a dumb way to automate content creation with AI, and there is a strategic way to do it. You see, most creators and marketers are stunned by hundreds of various AI tools and their fancy features. But when it comes to results, making money, building an audience, and growing your business, the automated content creation with AI looks completely different. It all comes down to practicality and how you, as a busy creator, marketer, or business owner, can use the power of AI to produce high-quality content that will grow your business. And therefore, in this video, I'll share with you a simple process along with an AI tool that will allow you to create strategic, long-form content such as video scripts, blog posts, SEO articles, and other content in minutes. In fact, I'll take you behind my computer and I'll show you the entire process from A to Z so that by the end of this video, you can strategically automate content creation with the AI at full scale. Let's dive in. All right, so as you can see, I'm inside of my DashNex account and I'm inside of the AI space where all the magic when it comes to content creation with AI is happening. This is where all the automation is happening. This is where you can create strategic content with just a few clicks. And now, instead of me kind of going through the kind of process showing every single step right here on the dashboard, I'm actually going to create the content and show you how you can automate this process every single day so that you can create high quality strategic content for your business very, very quick. So what you see right now on the screen is the initial kind of phase where you need to type in an idea for your content. Let's say we want to type in something simple as paid ads. You don't want to type in long keyword here. You want to go with something very simple, something that is the topic of your business or niche or product, something like that. And as you will see, AI will come back with a bunch of ideas for you. So let's just click start creation. And now what DashNex AI is going to do, it's going to research the topic and kind of prepare everything for you and show you ideas what your content could be about. And this is where you'll be able to make fine-tuning and adjustments to make sure that your content is exactly about what you want it to be. So what we have here on the screen now is kind of what I call the ideation phase. This is where you can choose the title and build the context for your chapters to make sure that your content is valuable. So let's take a look at the titles that we are getting here. So how to create high converting paid ads in 2024, top 5 paid advertising strategies for maximizing ROI, Google ads, the ultimate guide to mastering Facebook ads this year, common mistakes. And we can, of course, generate more ideas. Now, this title is not defining. You can change it later, but it sort of sets the tone for your content, and also it will help you to build the context. And this is why you really want to select something that you truly want to talk about, right? From zero to hero, building a successful paid ad strategy, navigating the paid ad landscape, unlock the power of retargeting, psychology behind successful paid ad campaigns. And I think this is really great, the psychology behind successful paid ad campaigns. This is a great title. Also, the top 5 paid advertising strategies for maximum ROI is great. So let's go with that one, top 5, right? And then what we need to do now is we need to create the context. And this is where you can manually input some stuff, or you can just choose the things that it is offering. And what essentially is happening here is that each of the selections that you will make here is going to build the content chapter for you. It's going to organize it in a proper way. So it's when you read the content, it actually makes sense. It's not jumping up and down, but it's in a logical sequence where people feel that they are being educated properly as they read the content. Okay. So since we talk about top 5 paid advertising strategies for maximum ROI, we want to select maybe 5 chapters. And so let's say we talk about social media paid ads, could be definitely the one. Paid advertising strategies could be the one. Paid ads for small businesses, cost-effective paid ads, and advanced paid ad techniques, right? And I think this is going to kind of incorporate everything into it. But of course, as I said, we can change the title later. It's not kind of the end of the deal, and you can generate even more ideas here if you want to, so you have more choices there to select from, right? But right now, for the sake of this example, let's say this is what we want, and now we need to select the duration or length of the content. So if you select sort of 5 chapters, I would go with at least 1,000 words. So we can select 1,250 to 1,500 words, so that's about 10 to 12 minutes of video if you would create a video script from this. And now that we have selected all of it, what we can do is we click continue, and this is where we are going to create the table of contents. You see, in order to have a high quality content, even though it's created with AI and it's sort of semi-automated and you just need to click a couple of things to get it done, you still want to make sure that the content is high quality and it's structured in a proper way so that when people read the content, they can feel the value that comes out of it. So let's wait. It's now building the context for everything, and now it's going to prepare the table of contents for you. So now, as you can see, this is the table of contents, top 5 paid advertising strategies for maximum ROI. And now we have, as you can see, we have 7 chapters in total because we have the introduction, then we have our 5 content chapters, and then we have our closing part. And this is kind of very important piece, right? To have all of these elements in the place. Now, here, as you can see, you can do a bunch of different things. Of course, you can add it. For example, what to expect from this video. Let's say I'm creating a video, right? Importance of paid advertising, how to achieve maximum ROI. Maybe I don't want to talk about that initially. So what to expect from this video. Maybe I want to move it here at the bottom. Maybe I want to move it here. Why ads could be the fastest growth strategy for your business, right? Let's say I want that. Then understanding paid advertising strategies, defining the types of paid advertising, key metrics to measure, common pitfalls to avoid, implementing paid ads for small businesses, why small businesses need paid ads, leveraging social media paid ads, exploring cost-effective paid ads, mastering advanced paid ad techniques, closing thoughts and next steps. And so that's pretty much what you have here. Now, what you can do at this point, as I said, you want to go through each of these chapters, and you only want to start to generate content if you are happy with these chapters, right? If you can add sections, remove sections, customize them, making sure that they are talking exactly about what you want them to talk about. And then once you are happy, what you can do is you can preview the table of contents, you can download it for the reference, and here you can see we have top 5 paid media advertising strategies for maximum ROI. And so we have the table of contents right here. And so what we want to do now is we want to simply click auto script, and it's now going to create content based on these inputs that we provided, right? And this is how you create strategic content that you can then leverage in multiple different ways. You can post it as video, you can post it as a blog post, you can post it across different social platforms. You can take chunks of the content and distribute them in different times to different platforms. There is a lot of things what you can do when you have strategic content in place. And when you automate this process strategically, meaning you provide some input, you get a high quality content on the other end. And now, as you can see, we have the entire content created, and we can preview the content. So we can see here from the top, let's kick things off by diving into the world of paid advertising. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, creating organic content alone doesn't always cut it. That's where paid ads step in. And of course, we can make some edits. Like, I highly recommend always to go with some basic edits like introduction. Make sure you adjust it. Maybe you want a different title. You can just rewrite the title. You can, rewrite the entire chapter if you want. You can click rewrite the chapter with context or rewrite without the context. So if you want to rewrite with the context, you can provide additional inputs. And this is how you can improve the quality and improve the kind of the context of your content to make sure it's valuable. But what you will find as you will start to do this every single day, you'll find the content, maybe you need 3 minutes, maximum 10 minutes to read through it, make some quick tweaks, but the content is ready for the next steps. And here inside, you can also take those next steps by locking it for the production, which is where you will have access to more tools, how to leverage this content in a strategic way. But by leveraging the tool in this strategic way, you can create high quality content out of the box to make sure that it makes sense. There is a flow for the content when people read it, because in the end of the day, no matter how you automate the content, one thing you can't automate is people paying you money, or people following you, or people engaging with your business. You can't automate that. You need to make a high quality content in order to achieve that. And that's what DashNex AI is all about. All the steps are already built into the system to make sure you get the result exactly as you want. All right, so now you know the strategic way how to automate content creation with AI so that you can achieve the ultimate objective, which is build an audience, make more money, and grow your business. During this video, I shared with you the entire process. I also shared with you how you can get access to the tool I was using so that you can start to automate this process and start to build strategic content bank around your business. Because today it's all about the quality, but also quantity. They need to be balanced. Without that, you can't get results. And this is what we focus here at DashNex, to make sure that every single little thing helps you to achieve the results faster than you thought possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for the updates. And also, if you have some questions about AI or content creation or business in general, please post them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Peter Garrity. I'm the founder of DashNex, and I'll talk to you in the next one.